Hey guys, and welcome back to You, Nico Dev. So you might be wondering where I've been in the last week, because I didn't post anything on this channel and also on my main channel in a while now, and but probably some people are scared. Where am I gone? Wait, no one is scared? Okay, no one said anything? Okay, well that's great. But I'm gonna tell you anyway. These 2 weeks I've discovered something amazing, something called Game Jams. If you don't know what game jams are, they are kind of competitions where you are given a team and you have to create a game in a specific amount of time around that team. And naturally I enjoyed a lot this kind of competitions because they made me think quick and outside the box. They gave me motivation to create something in really little time. The first game jam I participated into was the weekly game jam week, I think it was 93, on itch.io, which is an amazing website I use to put my games. So if you wanna check out all of the games that I created so far, you can check out my itch.io profile. It's gonna be in the description. And basically the theme of this competition was fishing. And I was like, what am I gonna make? What kind of game am I gonna make with the fishing team? And this is the game that I designed. Now, as you know, this competition is called the weekly competition, so you have 1 week to create a game. But I was kinda late to sign up, so I only had 3 days to develop one. Only 3 days. And this is what I came up with, and I'm pretty proud of it. But after this game, I actually participated into another competition to create a game in actually 3 days. This is a really big one that probably a lot of you guys know. It's called the Ludum Dare 44. And it was amazing. That was an experience. We created a whole team to make a game, and I'm really proud of how the game turned out, because I was not the only one that created it, and all of the other people were amazing. So in today's video I'm gonna review and show you all of the games that I created for these competitions. There are 2 games. This one and the one that I created with a bunch of people whose name you're gonna see on the screen right now. Anyway, let's begin. I'm gonna activate the sound and the audio. Hopefully it's not that loud, so you can enjoy the music. And this is what the game is all about. As you can see, you can choose a different difficulty. And let's go to medium for now, okay? And you are this little dude, okay? And you have to gather oxygen so you can fill up your oxygen bar. If you don't get as much oxygen so quickly, you're gonna die, okay? So we don't want that, so we need to get oxygen. See, I'm losing oxygen, I need to get oxygen. But also we need to gain points. How do we gain points? Well, we gain points by waiting and doing nothing, but also by, fishing some fish. Oh my gosh, oh no, not that one, okay. We want the red fish, now we want the blue fish. Oh my gosh, get this one. Now we want the yellow fish. As you can see, the fish that is indicated down here is the one that we need to grab. We are really low on oxygen. This is gonna be bad. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay, well, don't worry about my gameplay. Okay, I know I'm the guy that created the game, so I should be good at it. But there you go. We lost. Medium difficulty, we only got a score of 36. Once you lose, you can say your name, and my name is gonna be Nico, and we're gonna do continue. Then we can go to the scoreboards and we can check out how the other people played. Psych, I'm really good at this game. I was just acting to be bad, because as you can see I got a score of 519 in the last round. The really hard difficulty is actually hard. This is actually really good. Getting a score of 100 in difficulty hard is something crazy. I'm gonna show you how hard is. Look at this. We are really slow, the bubbles are really fast, and we lose oxygen so quick. By the way, I developed this game on Unity. If you guys are interested, the source code is in the description if you wanna know how I made it and you wanna just see the code that makes this work. I'm not gonna say it's an ugly code, but I'm gonna say I created it in 3 days, so don't expect a lot of clarity. But at the same time, it was a really good game to develop. And oh my gosh, I'm so proud of it. People even gave me some suggestions to things to add, like at the last minute when the game jam was already over. So as you can see, this text that appears once you get a good fish that one was added afterwards, so after the 3 days limit. You know, because someone said, we don't know when you got a right vision or wrong one, it's kinda confusing, so add that text. And that was a pretty cool suggestion, and I added it. By the way, we just topped our score, so let's write Nico, and now as you can see, if we go to the scoreboard, the score will update. Boom, boom, boom. Whoops, messed it up. Boom. Now, as you saw for a split second, there is also a progressive mode. Well, what is the progressive mode? I'm not gonna tell you. You probably already know from the name, but I'm not gonna tell you. How are you gonna find out what this mode is all about? Download the game, it's in the description. You can check it out for yourself. I really love more people playing this game and, you know, filling in the scoreboard. I wanna see how you guys do, and that's that. I also wanna show you the custom mode, where you can actually set a certain player speed and set a certain fish speed, and, you know, try the game created by your own rules. Also, if you don't put anything, the fields will be randomized, so you can enjoy a random game. The thing that I love the most is actually filling this bar to full, doing the maximum possible, and then go to play. And now look how fast we're gonna go. Look at this. This is an amazing game. Oh, boom. Oh my gosh. We need to get this fish. Oh my gosh, so fast. Please, please, please. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this game became a little bit too easy, because as you can see, I'm not losing any oxygen. One bubble will restore all of my oxygen. But yeah, you can play around with different settings and see what's the one that works out best for you. And, you know, this is pretty cool. I love how it turns out and how it turned out at the end of the competition. So this is it. This is the first game that I created. This is the first game I created, sorry, in a game jam. And as I said, I'm really proud of it. But there is something I'm even more proud about. Another game that I created, always, I guess, in this week, that was made in 3 days, and the competition only lasted 3 days. So this time I didn't have a disadvantage on anyone. I could actually, you know, make a full game. Like everyone else, because, you know, everyone else in this competition had 1 week, but I only had 3 days. So now I'm going to show you another game that I created for the Ludum Dare competition, but I didn't make it alone. In fact, there is a whole team that created the game. Let's go. This game is called Glass Cannon, and already from the feel of it, you can see that it was not made by me, because it has some actual good graphics. If we go to the credits, these are all of the people that made the game with me. As you can see, I was the developer, and we have to thank NKA1024 for being an artist and making all of the graphics, and Skosh, sorry if that's not how you pronounce your name, to making the sounds, and because he made the sound and music. And the music is actually really amazing. And also Pion and Akusan actually got the team together and, you know, helped advertising and all of that other stuff, so they are also included. And, you know, now I'm gonna show you what the game is all about. I must say the truth, I really had so little time to create an actual game. The theme of this game jam was your life is currency. So we decided to make a game where, in order to, you know, get upgrades, you need to pay. And the currency was your life, your health. So as you can see, you are this epic starship, and you can just drive around, and you have to kill the enemies. But here is the thing, you can go to the shop, and with your health you can upgrade stuff. You can upgrade health regen. As you can see, I lost all of my health, but now I'm regenerating. Boom, okay, and also there is a wave. So as you can see, we need to beat all of the waves and try to arrive at the, oh my gosh, at the biggest one before dying. Oh, this is a hard game. I must say the truth, I didn't balance it too well, because, you know, it was really little time. Like, it was already enough that I finished it. I really had to clutch this game out, development-wise, in the last day, because I got really lazy at some point. And I was really sorry, because many people put, like, a lot of work into the textures and all of that stuff. But yeah, this would be an actual good time to say, if you want, you can check out the game in the description on Ludum Dare, and you can create an account there and actually rate our game 5 stars. Please, we need it, please do. I'm just kidding, just rate the game as much as you like, as long as it's 5 stars. And this is it. There is also a scoreboard. Oh my gosh. This guy got 21 points. How did he, I mean 20, he got to wave 21. The biggest I ever got was 6. So many people have been stuck at 6. See, then with another account actually reached 8. And all of these people play the game. Look how many people play the game. I'm so proud of this. Oh my gosh. Hopefully there is not a bad word inside of here. Because last time I checked, there were a lot of bad words because people just couldn't resist destroying my scoreboard. Okay, I have to implement like a bad words filter or something like that because it's kinda, you know, it's kinda weird. But at the same time, I believe that this game is gonna keep being developed. While the game that I showed you, the one about the fish, is probably over because, you know, that's it. I really love how this game turned out, and Piod, this guy right here, who created the team, actually loved how it turned out too. So we're probably gonna keep developing it, so we'll probably see more updates on this. So if you're excited, leave a like, hit the bell, subscribe, and all of that stuff. Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, really amazing to make. Thank you ever so much for watching it till the very end. More updates on the games I'm developing are gonna come soon. And if you wanna know, like you wanna have an insight on how I develop games and stuff like that, then don't look for it because, you know, it's just a trial and error, okay? I don't know how I managed to do this in like only 3 days. It was a big clutch. We had to turn in at the last second. But you know, it happened and we're gonna progressively get better over and over. Unfortunately, this game is not open code because if we want to put it somewhere else, like on Steam, we cannot reveal the source code or it might be a problem. So unfortunately, I cannot tell you how I made this game, I cannot show you, but you can check out the source code, as I said, of my last game, the one about the fish. And you know, maybe in another video I can go in depth and show you how some of the mechanics work and how I program them in such little time. Anyway guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was really amazing to make. Play the games, they are in the description, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. See ya!